Welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn how to read CVC words with the short U sound. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. When you see each letter, you're going to say the sound of the letter, not the name of the letter. Let's start. T, B. All together now. Tub. The word is tub. The little boy is sitting in the tub. Let's read this word. S, B. All together now. Sub. The word is sub. This is called a sub. It is short for submarine. It is something people use when they need to travel under the surface of the water. Let's read this word. K, P. All together now. Cup. The word is cup. I pour milk into the cup. Let's read this word. B, S. All together now. Bus. The word is bus. I ride on the school bus to go to school. Let's read this word. G, All together now. Gum. The word is gum. There's a lot of gum in the gumball machine. Let's read this word together. D. All together now. Mud. The word is mud. You shouldn't play in the mud. Let's read this word. B, D. All together now. Bud. The word is bud. A bud is a flower that's not quite open yet. Let's read this word. K, B. All together now. Cub. The word is cub. A cub is what we call a baby lion or a baby tiger. This is a lion cub. Let's review the short U words that we have learned. We're going to play a little game. You're going to look at the picture and tell me what letter I need to make the word match the picture. Are you ready? Do you see this? It's the lion cub. What letter do I need to turn the ub into cub? Do I need the S, or the H, or the C, k? You're right. It's the C, k. This is a cub. This is a picture of a flower bud. What letter do I need to turn the ud into bud? Do I need the B, or the S, or the T, t? It's the B. It's a bud. This is a picture of a cup. What letter do I need to turn the up into cup? Do I need the C, or the M, or the T, You're right. It's the C, It's a cup. This is a picture of a tub. What letter do I need to turn the ub into tub? Do I need the S, or the T, or the D, You're right. It's the T. This is a tub. This is a picture of some mud. What letter do I need to turn the ud into mud? Do I need the S, or the G, or the M, You're right. It's M. The word is mud. Good job. This is a picture of a sub. Can you tell me what letter I need to turn the ub into sub? Do I need the T, or the S, or the D, You're right. It's the S. The word is sub. Can you tell me what letter I need to turn the us into bus? Do I need an S, or a G, or a B, Good job! It is the B. The word is bus. Can you tell me what letter I need to turn the into gum? Do I need the B, or the G, or the S, You're right. It's the G, The word is gum. You can read all of these words. Let's read them together. Tub, sub, cub, cup, bud, bus, mud, and gum. You can read all of these words. You're amazing readers. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.